On the night of August 15th, 1977, Ohio State University's Big Ear Observatory detected something extraordinary. A powerful, unexplained signal from deep space. It lasted for 72 seconds before vanishing forever, leaving astronomers in the SETI, or the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence community, puzzled and hopeful. Could it have been a message from an alien civilization? Although similar signals have never been recorded again, new research might finally explain the signal's origin. Is the mystery solved, or are we closer to uncovering an interstellar beacon? While reviewing the data recorded on August 15th, Jerry Amon from the Big Ear Observatory as part of Ohio State's SETI project came across a particularly strong signal at 1,420 megahertz. This particular frequency is of interest as back in 1959, physicists Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi had speculated that any extraterrestrial civilization attempting to communicate via radio signals might do so using a frequency of 1420 megahertz, which is naturally emitted by hydrogen, the most common element in the universe, and therefore likely familiar to all technologically advanced civilizations. Amon circled the signal on the printout, which read 6EQUJ5, and famously wrote "Wow" next to it, which is where the signal got its name from. Since that discovery, scientists have proposed a range of possibilities for its origin. Maybe it was strange radiation from a passing comet. Others argue that it was most likely some form of human-made radio interference. But the most captivating theory, one that still hasn't been ruled out, is that the WOW signal could have been a message from a highly advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Despite the mystery, the possibility remains intriguing and fuels ongoing scientific efforts. However, nothing like the WOW signal has ever been detected again, and no known natural phenomenon has been able to convincingly explain it, perhaps until now. In a 2024 paper posted to the ArXiv preprint server, a team of astronomers suggests that the source of the WOW signal may have been an intense flare from a magnetar striking an interstellar hydrogen cloud. According to planetary astrobiologist Abel Mendez, this flare could have caused the cold hydrogen to emit radio waves at the frequency detected by Big Ear in 1977. Mendez and his colleagues arrived at this new hypothesis after reviewing archival data from the Arecibo Observatory. During their analysis, they unexpectedly found 8 WOW-like signals recorded between February and May 2020. These narrowband radio emissions closely match the 1,420 megahertz frequency and lasted 2 to 3 minutes each. Though fainter than the original WOW signal, these new signals point toward hydrogen clouds as the likely source, and Mendez speculates that they could have been brightened by a magnetar's intense flare to match the WOW signal's strength. Mendez explained that a magnetar, a dense magnetized star remnant, could have emitted a powerful burst of radiation, causing hydrogen clouds to glow and produce the radio waves detected by Big Ear. So to sum it up, the original WOW signal may have been an accidental detection of such an event in 1977. Astronomers outside the research group have responded with a mix of excitement and skepticism. Michael Garrett, chair of the International Academy of Astronautics SETI Permanent Committee, appreciates the creativity but finds the magnetar hypothesis a bit contrived, noting the precise conditions required for the event. Similarly, Jason Wright from Penn State points out that the delicate physical requirements for such a signal raise doubts about its plausibility. Critics like Yvette Sendes suggest that radio interference from Earth could still be a more likely explanation for the WOW signal. Looking ahead, future research could further test this magnetar hypothesis and potentially confirm the true origins of the WOW. Mendez and his team plan to dive deeper into Arecibo's archival data, while high-resolution observations from the Very Large Array in New Mexico may offer more precise maps of the hydrogen clouds that could help pinpoint the signal's location. We may have gathered an important piece of the WOW signal puzzle with the magnetar hypothesis, but many questions remain. Could it really have been a fluke encounter between a hydrogen cloud and a distant magnetar? Or is there something even more extraordinary at play? As researchers dig deeper into archival data and enhance their observations with more advanced tools, we may get closer to an answer. What do you think? Could the WOW signal truly be an alien message, or is it a cosmic coincidence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.